Good rising, family. Black Feniks checking in. Right now, I'm outside the gas station about to fill up the tank. And I was just thinking about how my weekend has been. You know, I celebrated my birthday starting Friday, and my birthday was actually yesterday. So I appreciate all the birthday salutes and love and support, man. I appreciate all those who gave me some shout outs and checked on me. And you know, something that I realized over the weekend, I had an opportunity to sit around some millionaires, you know. And you know what I learned? That we all have millionaire, billionaire potential. Some people are different than others, you know. But once you have made it to a certain level, I heard Master P said I have $1,000,000 worth of knowledge. If I fall off, I can get right back to where I was because of what I know, you know. And then I realized that a lot of things, once you are at a certain position, there's something you will see in someone else's life that might not have the money you have, but they have something that's a little bit more valuable. So don't want to be somebody just because of that number. If you're searching for financial literacy, get it, chase it, become it. But don't get it twisted. Don't lose your peace, who you are, your character, the essence of who you are. Because to some, that's worth more than that $1,000,000. Hold on.